Get back in there.
Hi.
Hey, everybody. It's Friday.
We're going camping.
We're going camping. Where are we headed? Let me shut the garage.
We are actually headed to Guilford Lake State Park in Lisbon, Ohio.
It's about 45 miles away.
We've never been there before.
I have. I used to do poker runs.
I've been there 1,000 times.
Uh-oh.
But I've never been there to camp.
Right.
So this will be a first for us. Camping at Guilford Lake. So
Another one we can check off the list.
make sure you hit that thumbs up and give us a like. If you're new here, subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell for notification when we put out a new video.
See ya. Well, yep. Cat puked. It's very windy coming down the route we came. We shouldn't have come that way. I think on the way home we're going to go through Salem and Alliance back to Canton. Those windy roads, she wasn't good at all. Come on. This is site 12. Yeah. So I couldn't go back any further. The slide out would have hit it. And I couldn't go any much further, or I'd be out on the road. So that's where we're at. They do pack them in tight here. So the issues don't stop. My brakes on my truck are pretty much shot. And we ran out of propane in the middle of the night. Switched over this morning to another tank to cook breakfast, and the other tank's empty also.
It's empty too.
Freaking amateurs.
So
we're gonna try to make the rest of this day go better, and the weekend for that matter. All right?
yeah.
Yeah. Later. This trip has been anything but close to perfect. But I'm going to walk over to Sherry and Chuck. Sherry just caught a fish. And I'm going to get some drone shots. Sunday. We're waiting to dump. There is only one dump here. This is just water. In front of that is the dump. So we're the third trailer back.
So we had a great weekend.
We sure did.
With en route with Chuck and Sherry. Nice people, good friends. It was windy this weekend. It was ridiculously windy, but it's a nice park. It's very small. You on the other loop, you're pretty crowded and really close to your neighbor, but it's a close to home, quick getaway.
Nice for kayaking. Beautiful lake to kayak.
Bathroom facilities are nice here.
I didn't even go in them.
But we had a great time. If you haven't subscribed to En Route with Chuck and Sherry, please head over there, show them some love. Let's get them some more subscribers and some more views. We're going to get out of here, you guys. Until we talk to you again, remember the only thing better than a campfire are the memories you make around it. We'll talk to you guys later.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye.